Hello, little explorers. Welcome back to Little Forest Learners. Today we are learning about hedgehogs. These tiny animals are super cute and full of surprises. Fact 1. Hedgehogs are covered in spines, not fur. These spines help protect them from danger. But don't worry, they are not as sharp as they look. Fact 2. Hedgehogs can roll into a ball. When they feel scared, they curl up tight. This keeps them safe from predators. Fact 3. Hedgehogs are active at night. They sleep during the day and come out when it's dark. Fact 4. Hedgehogs eat insects and small bugs. They love to search for food on the ground at night. Fact 5. Hedgehogs have a great sense of smell. They use their noses to find food and explore their world. Now, here's a question for you. Would you hold a hedgehog or watch from far away? Today we learned that hedgehogs have spines, roll into a ball, come out at night, eat bugs, and have a great sense of smell. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun animal facts. See you next time, little explorers.